guys, it's me, Love 670. Yan na yan. So, we're gonna show you guys my, I'm just done with my bed, so, ayan. Okay, I have this Taobao. So it's my first time. It's three orders. I mean, like three packaging, but and it's different people. So I just first time ordering in Taobao. Sana ko, beke naman. So this item is I just tried lang. Ito po ay for the sale $1. So for $1 ganun. So pero yung amount niya nasa ganun ba yun? Nasa 70 something. Ganun. Basta yun na yun. So I like to open this one. I'm gonna show it to you. What is this? Ito po ay nagkahalagang $1. Free shipping. Free shipping na po siya. So ito. It's my first time ordering to this shop. Like, I mean, to the Taobao. So ito guys. So ito, it's Pink Plus Lenovo. Ayan. Pink Plus Lenovo. Ayan. So, ang mga reviews is maganda naman yung mga review nila doon. Sa bilihan ko nito is maganda yung mga review. Ayan. So, try na lang natin kung lalaban ba, no? So ito, $1 again. Sale, $1. Ayan. So ito siya. So ito po. And then, my second order is this one. This is only $16 HTV. And I really need this one for $16 this one. And this one is sale also, and I need this for my jowa. So it's black blazer. So ito po siya. It's only $15 and this one is $1. So siguro ito nag-pay ako ng shipping dito, pero dito free shipping. Dito parang maliit lang naman. Dito naman. So parang nag-cost ako dito ng 30 something ganun. Kasi may ano lang siya, may additional sa shipping. So ito yung first time order ko sa Taobao. May kaming isang order ako na gagamitin ko din. So maybe tomorrow kasi ang update ko sa apps nila is na pa-ship na siya sa warehouse. So maybe hindi ko na check ngayon tonight. Ano na siya what time pass na ngayon. So hindi ko siya na-check yung Taobao ko na apps. So ito. Maybe tomorrow ma-receive ko na siya. Maybe paano na siya from warehouse to ano na siya, pa HONGKONG. Ganun. So maybe tomorrow kasi naka-say naman sa apps na receive by this date. So baka yun na nga. Baka tomorrow na talaga yun. Kasi na-late siya pero same time ko sila in order kasi yung shipment niya is na-late ng 1 day. Parang ganun. So ito na guys. Thank you for watching.